What are you doing? That's not how you read it. What's wrong? It doesn't fit in your mouth? Weston, what are you doing? You want to try to flip it this way and read it? Not as fun, huh? Mwah! Weston! Weston! Mwah! Mwah! Say hi to everybody. No, don't. Okay. All right, here, you can have it back.